Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying network and carrier details because voicemail is a carrier feature. Once you're ready, open the phone app and use the keypad. The first actionable move is to clear any call forwarding that routes calls to voicemail. This prevents the carrier from intercepting calls. Dial the universal GSM code #002# and press call. This cancels all conditional and unconditional forwarding. Make sure the confirmation appears on screen before moving on. Once done, watch for the network confirmation that call forwarding was removed. Carriers often display a success message. Next, test by calling your own number from a different phone. It should ring until missed without diverting to voicemail. If it still goes to voicemail, try carrier-specific codes. Some use *21# to check status or dial a carrier deactivation code, or proceed to the carrier support step. Make sure to record what you tried so support can help fast. If clearing forwarding and codes don't stop voicemail, the only reliable method is to have your carrier disable the voicemail service on their side. Call support, explain you want voicemail deactivated, and request they remove it or turn off the mailbox. Once they confirm, test calls again. If issues continue, ask for an account reprovision or network reset. Troubleshooting tip: if calls still forward, note forwarding number and insist the agent remove that specific setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.